Welcome to Langkawi, Malaysia's best-kept secret. Think turquoise waters, jungle-covered mountains, and sunsets that look like paintings. Start your journey at the Langkawi Sky Bridge. Hanging over the rainforest, it's 125 meters of jaw-dropping views. This isn't just a bridge, it's a bucket list moment. Then, take the Langkawi Cable Car, one of the steepest in the world, to the peak of Gunung Mat Singkang. Up here, you're literally above the clouds. Craving beach time? Pantai Cenang delivers crystal clear water, beach bars, and golden sunsets, perfect for lazy days or wild nights. Love wildlife? Langkawi's mangroves are full of eagles, monkeys, and hidden caves. Book a boat tour and let nature blow your mind. And yes, shopping here is duty-free. That's right, chocolates, alcohol, perfumes, all without tax. Treat yourself. Feeling adventurous? Try island hopping. From the mystical pregnant maiden lake to private snorkeling spots, each island is a new story. And the best part? Langkawi is more than a destination. It's a feeling of peace, wonder, and wild beauty. So, what are you waiting for? Langkawi is calling.